The blockchain-based video platform Odysee has released its official Android app. Now, Android users can install it from Google Play Store. Odysee is trying to be the YouTube of Web 3.0. It is the video platform of the blockchain system LBRY, which allows content distribution through blockchain. Though it is part of the LBRY blockchain, it is not a complete decentralized video platform. It is a hosted platform. This Odysee video platform is not related to private photo video backup app Odysee, which was acquired by Google a few years ago. Odysee video platform is allowing its creators to earn money in its own crypto, named as LBRY credit (LBC). YouTubers can sync their YouTube channel with Odysee channel. Odysee is trying to be a free speech champion. Recently, they stood firm for not removing the Russia's state-funded RT channel, while many other media platforms removed RT.